Hey everyone, here's Nico at SeedLinked. I'm super excited to give you a short tutorial on how to maximize trial result and data from SeedLinked to really help you seed decision for this next planting season. And so log into your SeedLinked account, or if you don't have, just go on SeedLinked. You will land here. Then you go on the track. If you are trial ongoing, you will see them, but if you don't, go under the trial results. And here we have new things, exciting. You can see all your trial here, but you can also go in public trial or maybe trial you haven't joined. Like we've conducted thousands of trial, and you can look for all of those here by crop, or you can even type a variety if you want. And you will find the trial with all the trial with from bolero carrots. Uh, let's go on my trial. Let's say you've done trial and you want to dive into those and to make decision. Well, let's look at let's say a lettuce trial or tomato trial. I've done a lot of tomato trial. Let's pick the large cherry tomato trial where 160 plus grower assess this trial. Here you have a description, you have a completion, you can even look at all the fit discussion during this trial if you're interested. And here's all the variety tested. When you hover on top of it, you can see the number of grower and the rating by traits. If you tested some, you can also see your rating. We have a super exciting new filter. So I can guide you through all the filter you have here. You have trial condition, traits, different people, gardener, farmer. You can pick a couple of variety if you want not to see all the variety. And on the right side here, you have more binary. Would you grow this again? Yes, no. You have all the picture, all the comments from each variety, and you have access to the profile of each variety. Let's start with some filter. All right, I want to look at really what good cherry tomato will do under drought, heat stress, in the field or backyard, for example. Um, and so I look at it here, and so I see that Sundeeper is doing really well, but maybe you want to refine. You want looking at crack disease, you want to be early, great flavor, and great yield. And so you start to refine here your selection, and it seems that Sundeeper, Sparkling Celeste, or Alex are doing really well. And then maybe let's see how those variety look like. You can see picture from people. Um, you can see comments here. You can even like comment. For example, you can filter by like. And then when you start making your selection, you can even click on the full product page here, where you can see a description of the variety, how many people review it, where all the people who planted this variety. You can even click on each people, what they think. You can filter comment by traits. And let's say you like this one, you can add to the wish list. You can create wish list. So let's say, let's create our 2024 cherry. And you can add it to it. So it's added now. Maybe now you go back to that trial and you look at order. You can change your filter. Maybe you want to look ones that really do more indoor. And you look at maybe, let's say, sweet prints. And you can look at picture again, or maybe you want to add it to your wish list. This one, you can find your wish list, add it, and so forth. And then if you go into your wish list here, you will see all your wish list. So see, you can see two variety added here. And here we even have a compare where now this is a refine list. And you can look at now side by side those two with all the traits, all the comments on a compare view. You can even click on it and see all the picture of each one. So you can really, SeedLinked is really power with all those insights. We have different tools. You can create wish lists, you can compare, you can dive into so many trial results, and you can refine your wishes with looking at more public trial, tasting trial, like what are the most flavorful. You can also go in the search then, and again looking at tomato, all the cherry, and maybe you want to complete your wish list, and you can look for yield, flavor, and earliness again, for example. And cherry bomb might be a good, interesting one. Fedco, you can add it to your list maybe. And yeah, so that's kind of an overview of using trials, public and your own trial, to build selection and looking at what you are planning to plan next year. Really power with grow insight from other. Thank you for listening.